Hi, hello, good morning everyone. So after discussing about land degradation and causes for the land degradation and conservative measures for controlling the land degradation, we came to know that land is the most important natural resource which supports or which favors for all kind of activities involved or carried by human being timely. Then after discussing the concept in today's session, let us discuss about the other important natural resource which is also playing its role in different activities uh, as a part of a land resource, that is about soil as a resource. So soil is one of the most important renewable resource. Soil is one of the important renewable natural resource. Renewable in the sense the resource which goes on renewing, reforming, recycling even after repeated use. That is renewable resource. Now, soil is one of the important renewable natural resource. Then, most importantly, soil plays a very important role as a uh, medium, or it act as agent, or it is medium for the growth and development of plants and trees. Vegetation or plants and trees, they are able to grow only with the due support of soil. It is the medium for plants and trees to grow, and also it is medium for the survival of various living organisms which survive on the different layers of earth or in the soil. Then most importantly, soil is living system. It is living system. It This living system, or soil as a living system, it takes millions of years to form about few centimeters in depth. So soil is the living system. It is renewable in nature, and it takes millions of years to form, and it to form about few centimeters in depth, it takes millions of years to form. Then most importantly, the factors which determine, or which mm, helps us to know, are the factors which favors or which supports for the formation of soil. It is relief and relief factors, then climate and climatic conditions, climate and climatic conditions, then parent rocks, parent rocks, and even vegetation. So the factors which determines for the formation of soil as a resource, they are relief and relief factors, climate and climatic conditions, and parent rocks. These are the factors which makes the soil or which determines the soil formation. And along with these, even some of the other important factors to determine the formation of soil, namely temperature, temperature, then chemical and chemical and organic changes, chemical and organic changes which takes internally in the soil. Then along with that, uh, even running water, running water, then wind, running water, wind, then actions formed by or actions made by glacier, and even uh, 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 as I told, organic chemical changes which is mainly applied by the different uh, decomposers decomposers which lives or which exist in the soil. They equally form or equally plays a very important role in the formation of soil. Then let us revise and let us understand once again. Now we are discussing about soil as a resource. Soil is one of the important renewable resource. This renewable resource or soil as a renewable resource, it renews, recycles, replenish, and reforms, and it makes the availability of resource for various activities or for various purpose. And most importantly, soil plays a role as a medium in supporting the plants, trees, and their growth and development, and even it supports for the existence of various living organisms which survives in the soil. Then along with that, even soil is mainly, it's a living system. It's a living system because it is renewable in nature. Because of that, soil takes millions of years to form, about few centimeters in depth. So, of knowing this, the factors which determines for the formation of soil, they are relief and relief factors, climate and climatic conditions, parent rock factors, then vegetation, temperature, chemical and organic changes which takes in the soil, then actions made by or actions carried by running water, wind, glaciers, and various chemical and organic changes caused by decomposers or humus in the soil. These factors determine, or these factors are mainly responsible for the formation of soil. Then the different soil in a different region is not going to be witnessed in the same. The soil is mainly responsible, or the factors which are mainly responsible for the formation of soil, they also makes us to categorize soil into various types based on their color, texture, color, texture, then thickness, age, then uh, physical and chemical properties, chemical, uh, physical and chemical properties. So on the basis of these, we are able to categorize soil into various types. So the factor which determine for the formation of soil also makes us to understand or help us to categorize soil into various categories based on the color, texture, thickness, age, physical and chemical properties. On the basis of these factors, so these are the factor which makes us to understand or which help us to know about soil and soil formation. Whereas color, texture, thickness, age, physical and chemical factor properties, these are the factor which makes us to categorize or list out the different type of soil. So now let us discuss soil types of soils. Types of soils, as I told, on the basis of color, on the basis of texture, on the basis of age, physical and chemical properties, then on the basis of various other factors. So different type of soil are categorized as follows. Number 1, alluvial soil, block soil, then red and yellow soil, red and yellow soil, then laterite soil, laterite soil, arid soil, mountain soil, arid soil and mountain soil, and even forest soil. So on the basis of color, texture, age, physical properties, chemical properties, then thickness. So the different soils in different regions are mainly categorized into different types, namely alluvial soil, black soil, red and yellow soil, laterite soil, arid soil, mountain soil, and forest soil. So about different type of soil we will discuss and we will understand in tomorrow's session. And up to that, have a nice day. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.